side of Aldi's, there's a whole new other market which sells mainly pickles. It smells lovely, don't you? It's a secret market, Jen.
Yeah, it's all like pickled meat and fresh fish, stressed fish, I would say.
Yeah, it was horrible. We saw fish that were just loads and loads of fish in one tank.
And
Not enough air, yeah, and hardly any water. Is not nice. Very cool.
So they stress.
Yeah, but there are pickles down here, which are good. We like pickles. We don't like stressed fish.
Stress pickle.
So that's where Aldi's is, and that's where the secret market is.
So what's the cheapest?
Right, we're on a mission, Jen.
Paprika.
Paprika and saffron. So we're going to have a wander around, find the cheapest one.
Yeah.
And then buy it.
Well, that's the only we're gonna go to today anyway.
Yeah.
This one. Look at broccoli. Cauliflower.
Wow. Cauliflower.
Bigger than my head.
Okay.
Oh my god, they all look big. This is really big. That's cheap as well.
Yeah.
98. What, 50p? Oh, is that a video?
Is that for the weight though?
Right. There are two vegetables here.
Tomatoes here taste absolutely lovely, by the way. We've had tomatoes a few times.
That's fresh. Oh my god, it's cheap here.
Oh.
Can we come here?
Well, Schleeks.
Oh, look at the color on there. It's color
So we found a little bar called Praga, which is down some steps from the road. And here we've got some mulled wine.
And how much was that?
This was
£11.90.
£11.90. And that wasn't €11.90, was it?
No.
11,900. 1,100. And which was it in British money? £412.
Why can't we have just in a world just one
260,
one
270.
currency and just different
And it's
amount
full
in
and
the
it's
unit?
really warm.
So
And it was mulled wine with rum.
Say you is £3 and in the Philippines it's £1.
What do you think of it, Pand?
Nice, strong but nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice and warm.
Bri?
It's okay.
Jen?
Nice. Right.
Would you have it again?
Yeah,
Yeah.
every day you've had to speak. So we start there.
Yeah.
So we're good for a meal later. Going to spot.
Yeah.
I can't believe that. It says on
Yeah.
this 1 o'clock.
Don't
At
believe
12.
anything they say on the internet because we keep coming here because it says it's open, but it doesn't open until 3. So the internet's wrong. One day, Jen.
Yeah, I know. Well, there was. Probably the third time.
Yeah.
It says on here it's 12. What's that
Yeah.
says?
But he said it's definitely not open until 3.
Oh.
So it's a bit rubbish. But don't believe what they say online. For the ruin bar that was. We tried again for the ruin bar.
It says on there 12 p.m.
Yeah.
It says on there 12 p.m. Oh, I don't know.
I'm too busy in there.
There's another one.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
all these people want to go to the ruin bar.
they go there first.
Good luck with that one.
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
Winter's bar. Jen has got a giant schnitzel and fries. Candy's got a full English. Is it nice?
Yes, there's loads of it.
And I've got Hungarian soup rather than the stew this time.
Those would be
Thank you for joining us on our last day here in Budapest. I had to try and think where we were then. What did you think of it, Bryce?
okay.
Yeah. So last night, out to say, we're going back now after a nice meal again at Pointers. There's 3 pointers that we've spotted in Budapest. We're in our usual one, but I can't tell you which one it is because they all look the same. Anyway, thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.